Hello everyone, today we will do class 10th chapter 12th areas related to circle. In a circular table cover of radius 32 cm, a design is formed leaving an equilateral triangle ABC in the middle. Find the area of the design. You have to find the area of this design. It is a circle and within this circle a equilateral triangle is there, right? And this design is there. You have to find this area of this design. Now you can see here, if this is the center of the circle, and let me join the vertices of the triangle ABC with this O. So it will be like this, and similarly B and with C. And now if you will see the figure, we can see we have three equal segments formed. These are the three equal segments. Now to find the area of one segment, we need radius of this circle, which is given to be 32 centimeter. This is 32 centimeter. And this angle, sector angle, this we have to find. Now this complete angle will be 360 degree and these are three equal angles. They are equal because it is an equilateral triangle. So if we can take this BC as a chord of circle, BC is the chord of circle, AC is the chord of circle, and similarly AB is chord of this circle. Equal chords of circle subtends equal angle at the center. So these three angles will be equal. So we can find this angle. If we have to find this angle, that will be equal to 360 by 3, that is 120 degree. So here in this case, we will first find the area of one segment, and then to find the area of this complete shaded region, we have to multiply that by 3. So let us start. So we can write here R is equal to 32 centimeter and theta is 360 by 3, that is 120 degree. Now area of one segment. So we have three segments here, three equal segments. The area is given by area of sector minus area of triangle. Area of sector, this complete is the sector and this is a triangle. So this will be equal to 120 over 360 degree into 22 by 7 into 32 minus half into 32 sine of 120 degree. Now remember, sine of 120 degree, the value is same as sine of 60, which is root 3 by 2. So let us solve this. This will be 3. So it will be equal to 22 into 32 into 32 is 1024 over 3 into 7 minus, so this will be 16. So 16 into 32 into root 3 by 2, which is again 16 from here. So finally we are getting this as minus 256 square root of 3. This is the area of one segment. So area of design will be equal to area of three segments. Three equal segments. So this is the area of one segment. So we will multiply it by 3. 22 into 1024 over 3 into 7 minus 256 root of 3. Now when 3 will be multiplied by this term, we are left with this over 7. 3 goes by 3, and when 3 is multiplied by this, we will get 768 square root of 3. Now 22 into 1024 is 22528 over 7 minus 768 square root of 3. This much centimeters squares will be the answer.